Something strange happens when a guy walks into a room, already surrounded by women. Heads turn. Suddenly, he's interesting, even if no one noticed him before. Why? What's happening here? It's not about looks. It's not about wealth. It's something deeper, pre-selection. And once you understand how it works, you'll never see attraction the same way again. Women don't just pick men randomly. Their instincts are wired for survival, for status, for selecting the best possible option. And what's the easiest way to tell if a man is high value? If other women already want him. It's subconscious. A man who is already desired must have something worth desiring. His social proof is built in. He doesn't need to prove himself, his desirability has already been validated by other women. This instantly triggers something in the female brain. If he's valuable to them, maybe he's valuable to me. Now, here's where things get crazy. Even if a man hasn't changed anything about himself, same looks, same personality, just being seen with women boosts his attractiveness. Why? Because women don't want to waste time. A man who's already approved saves them from guessing whether he's worth their energy. On the flip side, a guy who's alone, with no social validation, sends a completely different signal. If no one wants him, there must be a reason. But this goes even deeper. Pre-selection isn't just about having women around, it's about how a man carries himself in that dynamic. Is he leading the group? Is he comfortable, confident, relaxed? That energy alone changes how women perceive him. This explains why men in relationships often attract more attention. Why guys who were invisible one day suddenly become magnetic when another woman shows interest. It's not an accident. It's not luck. It's psychology at work. The mistake most men make? They chase. They act like they need to prove their worth. The moment you're trying to convince a woman to like you, you've already lost. The men who naturally trigger pre-selection don't seek approval, they create it. So how do you use this? Stop chasing validation. Let attraction work for you. Build social proof. Women trust other women's instincts, use that to your advantage. Control the frame. A man who moves like he has options is always more attractive than a man begging for one. Women don't choose at random. They choose based on who has already been chosen. The only question is, will you be the guy who understands this, or the one still trying to prove himself? Drop your thoughts below. Have you noticed this in action?